The sounds are so familiar to me. The calming sounds that nature brings. Watching the trees blow by as the breeze hits. The cool shade that it offers underneath. Just watch it grow, as if it's a child being raised into adulthood. It grows with such beauty, so gracefully. It fills me with joy.
A little view of the past. I promise all of this is not gonna last. Trust me, I know.
Just watch the flowers bloom into vibrant little blossoms of color. So what if people don't enjoy it sometimes? To me, nature is my home. Watching every sunset with warmth in my heart. Nothing can compare to the feeling I get. It's odd. It's almost like I'm different without it. Staying up at odd hours of the night. Locked in my room. Trapped in my own box. Restless. Hoping that in a few hours I can bask in the beauty of nature. Until then, I think about it. How different I may be from others. Or, heck, how alike I might be. But, until then, take a hike. Literally. Surround yourself in nature. Take some time to think. Enjoy the view of like a garden or something with someone you love. Or just capture the beauty of the sunset on your own. I don't judge. I do the same thing. But just remember that sometimes you didn't really see a rainbow if you didn't capture it on Snapchat. Yeah.